Hey, what's up? It's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. And in this video, we're going to answer a person who had a question about they never sent any correspondence. So she found the negative creditor or the debt collector information on her credit reports. She's saying that no one ever sent any correspondence. How can they do that? Well, let me tell you that they sent it out in the mail. It would be very rare for them to place that information on their credit reports without sending out the demand letter. And in some of the, if they chose to take you to court, in some states, they make them prove that they did send that original demand letter. And as a matter of fact, for any type of financial type court lawsuit, you have to show that you did originally try to reach out to resolve it before it got to court. That's a requirement. So what I'm thinking is that it either went to another address, or maybe if you have not changed addresses, that you just disregarded it because it could have been a bill or a name that you didn't recognize. It could have been a collection agency and it had your name and you just disregarded it. But they or just went to another address, or it was just got lost in the mail. That is a possibility also. But from where you're standing right now, because it's on your credit reports where you're standing right now, and if you truly believe that you never received that letter, you need to reach out to them before this goes any further, because right now they've actually done everything they had to do with that 30-day letter to get it on your reports. What you had to do now is you had to start working backwards, and you need to do a debt validation to them and notify them that you want to dispute that account. And then they're going to send you information pertaining to it, or it may be something that you even never even really knew about, or that you paid. That's possible also. All right, so I'm going to end the video here. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different. And that type of situation that I just mentioned for this YouTube question, that is something that we do automatically at our office when we see something like that from a debt collector, that we send out debt validations directly to that debt collector, and we also attack it from the end of working with TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. So visit our website, thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different. That explains the 8-point validation process that we use to repair credit, and our two-phase settlement system that we use to settle debt and help you get out of debt. And if you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com. Invite you to get those, because everything starts there. You need to know exactly how it shows on your credit reports, because if you don't send it to the bureaus exactly the way that it shows with the furnisher, they can kick that back and not even do a proper dispute on that information. If you need the statute of limitations letter, debt validation letter, or the cease and desist collection activities letter, link to that is below this video. All those letters are all coming together. We fixed our programming issue. Just give you all three letters. Use the one that you need if you want to try to fight back against debt collectors. There's also the link if you're getting sued in court by a third-party debt collector. The link below that you can use to either learn how to respond to those third-party debt collection lawsuits, or you can have us do the summons response for you, so you're able to at least have a fighting chance. All right, this is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. Thank you, and until next time.